So just received my old school Polish typewriter in the post. Yes, sirree. So here it is. This is how it came. Very well packaged. So just some lid off. And oh, nice. This is for like 120 zloty, which is like 12 quid. No, 22 quid. 120 zloty is like 22 pounds. Okay. It said it was in mint condition and it looks pretty good condition. It's well wrapped. Okay, nice. In its own case, and I guess just squeeze these together and it should open. Oh yeah. Oh. There we are. Monica Olympus, mint condition, ready for some galactic work.